In the heart of our cities, where energy flows like the lifeblood of civilization, the integrity of electrical systems is paramount. But hidden dangers lurk within, unseen to the naked eye. Overheating, potential failures, risking efficiency and safety. Introducing the revolutionary solution: Thermographic inspection of electrical systems, brought to you by CDG. A cutting-edge technique that uses infrared technology to detect heat anomalies invisible to the eye, preventing potential hazards. CDG, an ISO 17020 accredited inspection body, leads with precision, expertise, and unwavering commitment to safety and efficiency. Our meticulous process, tailored to your needs, ensures comprehensive coverage of your electrical systems. Leveraging the latest in thermal imaging technology, we provide insights deep beneath the surface. Our team of experts is equipped with the knowledge and tools to identify risks before they become problems. Prevent unplanned outages, save on maintenance costs, and extend the life of your equipment with our thermographic inspections. Versatile across industries, our services are essential for any entity relying on electrical systems. Join the myriad of satisfied customers who trust CDG to protect their operations and assets. Our ISO 17020 accreditation is your assurance of quality, competence, and professionalism in every inspection. Don't wait for the unseen to become a costly disaster. Contact CDG today to ensure the safety and efficiency of your electrical systems. At CDG, your safety, efficiency, and peace of mind are our utmost priorities. CDG, where safety meets technology. Powering a safer tomorrow.